The boy got with a pick me can't go in the details. Too hot for you too. Alright.
Ask you loud enough, I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me?
Yeah. What's up, guys? The girl is back with another video. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. So as you can see down at the title below, we're going to do a story time on the first time we did it. From I said did it, you know me, I got talk about. So yeah, people, we did there. Then at the house and the boy I kissed me upon go along with a bag of things, you see me? Me never tell the boy say me I give him nothing, you know.
You mean no you come on me out for?
You never come here for that.
So you come there for?
No let them talk.
Talk about what?
See, people can't let them talk about something.
About what?
Anything.
Tell if I weird alone come here I could to lie down and talk about what? About life, about future. How many to go?
About future. Not less.
What kind of future? You didn't know what's in no future though?
Me say the boy got turn off the light. When me see the boy turn off the light, see me I did me and I dog. What the fuck am I gonna do?
Kill me, boy, now kill you.
Kill boy. Me know exactly what me I say. Me did tell this boy say me I give him nothing.
You have to tell me see if
I say people, the boy could do nothing. I joke me I make.
He's a part for me.
The boy could do nothing. I joke me I make. Couldn't say I joke me I make.
But then when you feel to do and black out, we are white, you know what? I said, but can't I presume me gone all the day?
Mr. People, when the boy start going with them antics, I say, see me here, them here. You know, see them? So me here start going. The boy going with the pick, me can't go in the details. Too hot for you too. Alright.
You have to stop this? You have to come in, you don't go so like
so everybody name. No name.
What no so?
People name. The people if you don't see coin gone at the video here, no surprise.
You happy?
The bomb box, so I like that you sleeping on the back?
No. Light in your back?
What is?
From? Where you come from? Never in your back.
Some of the people, the boy take off my shots. Yeah. I don't know why the boy turn off the light if he know me see him in the face or something. So, I take off my shots and the boy start kissing me and all them something there now. It in time they know. Man, that want me to reach home. That want me to reach home. Move it like that from my phone. I see the boy, when the boy done, the boy go cook for me. Boy go cook for me. I mean, the boy go cook for me. Be over calpabs.
I'm better than the other point.
My son. Stop. I'm father nearly come catch him.
What's up, nothing.
You have to dive on that bed.
I'm probably nowhere near you.
You have to dive on. Yeah, today I'm like bed. Me I say.
You remember Adrian?
Did you win? God no, if you know man.
How do you talk to him?
When?
Shandy came on me the town. Shandy came me and he did it on the other line.
I'm my friend, you know. How any want me give?
Remember? You can take going to no man want to you. No bumbo.
Yo!
Where I do?
You know if you're gonna say no just...
Are you know if you're galang so you're galang suffer?
Then something never sweet yet.
I wonder what sweet you night so.
I don't know sweet all around.
You know galang so sweet.
Yeah! Me plate man.
Go for it.
I can't take my shit in. Mr. People. Mr. People. Peoples. This was a prank.
This was no fucking prank.
So as you can see,
What
down
kind
at
of
the
prank?
title below, eating like a hog. See boyfriend reaction.
How you
So-
coming so?
Spam up the comment section with Team Brit. Sorry the light. Which part with the light? You know? Spam up the comment section with Team Brit.
Black.
Cause I don't know when a girl ever come back with a banger. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. Peace out. You know say not up? Never go cut it.